The Prophecy Unveiled. As the last rays of sunlight kissed the stained glass windows of the ancient library, Seraphina Rosewood found herself drawn to an unassuming scroll tucked away on a dusty shelf. Its faded parchment and delicate script spoke of forgotten tales and untold destinies. A shiver of anticipation danced along her spine as she carefully unfurled the scroll, revealing the ancient prophecy that had lain hidden for centuries. The words on the scroll seemed to shimmer with a whispered magic, illuminating the dim corners of Seraphina's heart. She read the prophecy with bated breath, her eyes tracing the elegant swirls and curves of the long-lost script. The prophecy spoke of a chosen sorceress, one who would rise in the darkest of times to challenge the dominion of a powerful wizard and restore the delicate balance between worlds. Intrigue kindled within Seraphina's soul like a flickering flame. She was no stranger to the wonders and mysteries of Eldoria, having spent countless hours poring over ancient tomes and practicing intricate spells. But this prophecy, this call to destiny, stirred something deep within her, awakening a thirst for adventure she had never known before. With a determined gleam in her eyes, Seraphina carefully rolled the scroll and cradled it against her chest, as though holding a precious secret. The weight of her responsibility settled upon her shoulders, both thrilling and daunting. She knew that she must embark on a journey, seek the wisdom of Eldoria's sages, and uncover the tools and knowledge necessary to fulfill her role as the chosen sorceress. The moonlit path leading to the Council of Elders beckoned Seraphina with its ethereal glow. She stepped into the night, her footsteps guided by an unseen force. The air seemed charged with anticipation, as if the very elements whispered secrets only she could understand. The night sky, adorned with a tapestry of stars, seemed to nod approvingly, as if acknowledging the birth of a new legend. With each step, Seraphina's determination grew, fueled by the knowledge that her destiny was intricately woven into the fabric of Eldoria itself. She knew she would face trials and challenges, that her path would be strewn with obstacles and adversaries. But the power of the prophecy surged through her veins, igniting a fire that would not be extinguished. As she approached the threshold of the council chamber, Seraphina took a deep breath, steadying herself for the encounter that awaited her. The aged wooden doors creaked open, revealing a chamber bathed in a soft, otherworldly glow. The Council of Elders, their faces lined with wisdom and their eyes gleaming with ancient knowledge, sat in a semicircle, their gazes fixed upon her. In that moment, Seraphina felt a hum in the air, a silent acknowledgement that she was about to embark on a journey that would shape the fate of Eldoria. With a steady voice and unwavering resolve, she shared the prophecy, each word laden with hope and purpose. The council listened intently, their expressions a tapestry of curiosity, concern, and wisdom. The oldest of the elders, a venerable figure with a long, flowing beard and eyes that held the weight of centuries, spoke first. His voice resonated with a timbre that commanded attention, as though the very elements bent to his will. "Seraphina Rosewood," he began, The prophecy has lain dormant for generations, waiting for the chosen one to emerge. It is clear that you possess the spark of destiny within you. A surge of both trepidation and exhilaration coursed through Seraphina's veins. She knew that her journey would be filled